Hey guys, if you have a Google Pixel and you are trying to connect to Galaxy Buds, let's see how to do that. So here I have this one is Galaxy Buds 2, and here I have Galaxy Buds 3. You know, usually they say that if you open Galaxy, Pixel, put my okay. So if you open the Pixel and if you just open this one, let me see. Okay, open this one. It should show up like, I don't know if the Samsung phone works like that, but for Apple phones, if I have airport and if I just open like that, it's gonna show it to me automatically, but this one doesn't show us. Okay, so there's something else I had to do. So first I had to check my Bluetooth to see if the Galaxy Buds shows up. So I'm looking at the settings and Bluetooth, and I'm looking at the pair device. It's not showing up. So there's another thing I had to do is maybe, okay, I open this, I put it in a stable position so I can do the things necessary. So I keep it here and put my two hands on top of this. Still not showing up, but it worked for me that way for the Galaxy Buds 2. This is Galaxy Buds Pro. Let me see if the Galaxy Buds 2 works like that. It's not showing. So I'm gonna try my Galaxy Buds 2. So I'm opening. No signal yet. I put my two hands on top of this. Nothing. So, oh man. Okay, so there's another thing we had to do in this case. We had to download something called I go to the Play Store, and here I go here, Samsung wearables. Okay, you have to install this app right here. Open, and now let's try again. Okay, let me grab my things that fell off. Okay. Put it right here for now. I'm gonna put this on. Okay, let's try this thing again. I keep this one over here, maybe close this one. This one falls apart. But let's try with the Galaxy Buds 2 first. Okay, one at a time. Now I'm have this one. I'm gonna start this. Hello, hello, and it's looking for it. So now I open this. Okay, I opened it, and I'm gonna put my two hands on top of it. Okay, now it's blinking, you see. So once it's blinking, you see the name appear. Now I connect here. So now it's connected. Okay, So this one is connected, and this one additional app you can install if you want. I'll install it anyway. Now if I see the settings, I think it will appear now. So it's already there, it's already connected. So you need this app, Galaxy wearables, in order to. Okay, I'm gonna skip this for now. Okay, so Galaxy wearable is the app you need. Okay, now let's look at the other one. I have the Galaxy Pro. Let's see if that one also works like that. So again, I go, I try open this. I open this and put two finger like this. Maybe I had to search before I do that. That's what I did for the previous one. Okay. To go back, I don't know where to go now. Okay, Galaxy wearables is right here. It is stuck with the old one. I think that is the same process for the other one as well. Okay, so since it's not going away, I have to see, like, I have to finish that setting to go for the next one. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next video.